Welcome back to Mrs. Fati recipe. Today, one of my sister decided to share her puff recipe with you guys. Before she starts, she soaked a yeast in warm water and then set it aside. She did not add sugar before crushing her nutmeg that she'll be using later. You can add nutmeg or vanilla, but because we don't have vanilla, that is why she decided to use the nutmeg. Or you can add both of them to give your puff a good smell. And also, this is our baking powder. You can add it or you can just escape it, because after all, you are going to be adding yeast. And this is our all-purpose flour. She used a lot of flour, and then she added her nutmeg and salt. Also, she's adding sugar. As you can see, she's using a lot of sugar because the puff that she's making it for an occasion, and she makes everything together very well. Now she add a yeast that she have already soaked earlier and milk together, and also add her baking powder in it, and then go on with water, and she mix everything together very well. Because it's our own recipe, she know any amount of yeast, baking powder, sugar, salt that she's using. She did not measure it at all. That is why I did not bring the measurement to it. So now she's beating the dough very well. As you can see, the texture is okay for her, and she has finished. So now she's going to cover it and leave it to rise in a warm area. Then we are now chatting. Now it has rise up, because the time that she put it in a warm area, I went out to get something, so I did not be able to see the minute. Yes, she put her oil on the stove and allow it to become more hot before cutting the dough and then dropping it in it. As you can see how she's cutting it, she know her size that she need. You can cut it bigger than this or smaller than this, or like the way she's cutting it. Yes. While we are frying the puff, we are chatting, talking, and as we are laughing, everything was very going smooth. Yeah. Also, the more she's putting it, the more she's turning it, because she don't want it to burn, have to burn, and then have to be normal. So then she's turning it, and at the same time she's dropping some of the puff in the place that she can find space in the oil. Yes. So if you haven't watched her spring roll recipe, you can go and check it out. My page in YouTube is Mrs. Fati Recipe. In Facebook is Easy Way Cooking. And in TikTok is also Mrs. Fati Recipe. In Instagram is Mrs. Fati Recipe. You can go and check the video there. And also, if you are in Facebook, follow me. And if you are in TikTok, click the plot sign. In any time if I upload a new video, you can actually to see it. And also, if you are in YouTube, click the notification bell and subscribe to the channel, so that we can actually continue to share amazing recipe like this. Remember, we are all learning. Even me, I learn a lot from her recipe. And also, I learn from my wonderful Nigerian sister's recipe. That is why I said you should follow this channel, so that we will all learn together, and it will be very fun. This channel is all about we sharing amazing recipe, simple recipe that we can make it at home and enjoy with our family. Trust me, this puff tastes good. You can try it, and you will thank me later. It's very simple, because she normally make it an occasion. And also, some people actually call her and then tell her to make it for them, so that they can use it in their birthday, or if they want to do sadaka, they can actually use it to do their sadaka. Because the way she used to make her puff, actually guys, it tastes very good. It tastes very good. So you can try it at home. The dough and how she makes everything together was very amazing. And it's not only puff. She also make spring roll and other pastries also. Thank you so much, my lovely, wonderful people. Stay tuned and let's enjoy this recipe together. See you in my next video. Bye bye.